Hello everyone, this is Chris Engler from CyberGrapes. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new blog post on your WordPress website. So I am already logged into my site. You can tell because it has this bar here at the top with lots of different options. Just hover over New and click New Post. Once that loads, you're going to want to give your post a title, and we're going to call this Sample Blog Post by Chris and CyberGrapes. Okay, so we have a title in here, and now we want to start adding some content. You can write about anything you want. Here, you see this little plus? That little plus, if you click on that, will help you choose different WordPress blocks to add, such as paragraphs and pictures and headings and lists. You can click Browse All, and it'll open them all up. It'll open all your options. On the side here, for this case, we're going to call it a heading. We're going to add a heading, and we're going to say sample heading. I'm going to hit Enter, and it's going to then create another block. Down here, you can either add a block. Again, you can find your block, search for it by name if you want. You can browse all again, or you can just start typing. If you start typing, it's just going to start using paragraph block. So in this scenario, I'm going to just start typing, and I'm just going to say, hello, everyone. This is a sample post. All right, at this point, my blog post is almost ready to publish. What we want to do over here on this right-hand side is click on Posts. And this post will give you certain options for you to go through. Over here, like if you're in like your title or this heading, if you click on this block setting here, you can change things. Most people don't have to do that, but if you wanted to change this text to just say be this orange color, I just did that. But the main stuff that you're going to go through is go through your post itself, like setting a featured image. So that featured image is something that you would want to do for, the idea is a picture gives 1,000 words. So you just want to choose a picture for your blog post. You don't have to, but I recommend it. So in here, I'm going to click set a featured image. WordPress will give you some examples that you've already loaded. You can upload a new image here, or you can go right into your media library where you're already, again, this is your pictures that you're already loaded up. I'm going to choose this group of people here, set the featured image, and then I'll show you how that's used later on. Status is being a draft, publish immediately. So as soon as we hit this publish, it'll publish as of now. You can change this to publish backwards. For instance, if you wanted to look like you published it last month, you could make it published as of last month. If you wanted to publish in the future, like if you want to do 5 blog posts at once, but you want to do publish one every Monday, you can do that too to set it in the future. And if you set it for the future date, it'll just auto-publish when you hit that date. If you go through the questions that it gives you there, here's a link for the blog post. You can change that. You can set it to be anything else, like you just want to change it to sample blog post. You can remove these things, or you could call it something completely else, like, I don't know, hello. And there you go. WordPress won't let you use a URL that you've already used previously. So be aware that it'll add like a -1 or a -2 or a -3 if you keep on using the same URL structure at the end. Discussion things only. Most people don't do anything there. Standard format, it's fine. Sticky means that when you look at your blog post page, you can make this always appear at the top. In it. Video tutorials, you likely won't have that option. That's an option for CyberGrapes hosting only. Categories is something that's very useful. Categories is like if you write about 5 different things, you'd have 5 different categories, and you would select here which category you wanted to fit in, and it helps people navigate your site, and it also helps with some search engine optimization. In this case, I only have 2 categories. One uncategorized, which is the default WordPress option if you don't choose one, or you can choose anything you want. You can add your categories here. In this case, I'm just going to select example blog post. Tags you see those all the time. People are like, hashtag cybergrapes. That's what those are for. Tags help search engine optimization. They also help people navigate your site a little bit. Most people that I work with directly with cybergrapes don't add tags. If they can get categories correct and they have some categories going on, more power to them. Tags, usually a little bit deeper than my clients want to go. So here we are. We have our post, featured image, we have the category, and we are going to publish it. All right, so the first time you publish, WordPress says, are you sure you want to publish it? So we're just going to hit publish a second time. We're going to get a little pop-up soon. It says, go ahead and view your post. And here it is. So here's my sample blog post. Here's that nice little featured image I chose along with the post content. And now we're good. So I'm going to go back to the home page real quick and show you one more time. If I click on my link up here and say blog posts, now you can see all the blog posts that have ever been published. And you can see how those featured images work. So that's why I'm saying, it's good for you to choose a featured image for your blog posts. But again, don't have to. But that's it. That's how easy it is. It's very simple. And most WordPress sites, if you have a good hosting company, usually you can't get this wrong. If you blow up your site, you can usually go in and restore it from at least the previous night. Not a lot of danger in creating your blog post is what I'm saying. So be encouraged and experiment. Try it out. Okay? I hope this video helps. Good luck. See you later. Bye.